This is how I do it. I just let it slide, and that's basically it. Slide in, don't break it. Olive oil, then we will add the sujuk and cook it through. So this will take around another a minute or two. Let's taste it again because we need to make sure it's the right taste. Saffron, adding our pasta in. That's smelling so good already. Cheese on top, chilies. Normally I put a little bit of olive oil because it creates more moisture. Welcome to the final episode of Ramadan Bites and Delights. Chef Noel here, and we're gonna show you finally the crowning glory of all these preparations, which is our very lovely saffron pasta with sujuk. So this is a twist between Turkish and also a bit of Emirati. So the first thing we need to do first before we get into the cooking of the pasta is making sure that your water is boiling. And normally I would put a bit of salt to season the pasta and also a little bit of olive oil. But before that, we will be pre-soaking our saffron because this is a saffron flavored pasta. I'll be adding a little bit of oil into the water because it keeps your pasta from sticking. So just a little bit. Salt. So the Italians are gonna watch me how I do my pasta. This is how I do it. I just let it slide, and that's basically it. And what you need to do is just to slowly, while the tip becomes softer, you have to just push it slowly in. So I'm just letting it slide in. Don't break it, and making sure that it's cooked through. And we'll just wait until it gets cooked the way you want it. For me, it's always al dente. I love that my pasta has a bit of a bite. So now we have our al dente pasta cooked just the way I want it. And the next step is to prepare the remaining ingredients. So heat your pan. So I'm going to pour my olive oil. And then once it's heating up, then we will add the sujuk and cook it through. So this will take around another a minute or two. All right, so now that's cooking. So the next thing is we will put our fresh cream inside. So once we bring this back to a boil, then we can add the saffron, like 2 pinches of salt, pepper, and also a little bit of chili. Then we'll lower the heat so we don't overcook it. Let's taste it again because we need to make sure it's the right taste. For me, that's perfect. I don't like really salty dishes. So now we're gonna add the saffron. So we're just gonna let this bring back to a boil, and then we will be adding our pasta in. That's smelling so good already. So now we're done cooking the pasta. It's time to plate. So what I normally do, I try to create kind of a look, a special look for this. I'm just gonna loop this a little bit. Now, being a pastry chef, I don't have the tools that hot kitchen chefs use, so I'm gonna use my spatula. We'll be adding some cheese on top, some chilies. Normally I put a little bit of olive oil because it creates more moisture. So here is our saffron infused sujuk pasta using our Jordan quick cooking pasta. And I bet this is something really different, but also a bit nostalgic. So it's a twist between Turkish and Emirati. Let's enjoy it.